Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you about multiple function arguments in Python. So let's start this video. In our last video we have created this function which take one argument name and give us our name welcome to Facebook Pratik. Let's run it. When we call it welcome to Facebook Pratik. What we want if we want to add our last name also, like it will say welcome to Facebook Pratik Singh. So here come multiple function arguments. We can add multiple function like our middle name, last name. So let's add two more function here, our last name and middle name. So we will add two more function, not arguments, sorry. Middle name, first let's change it name. First name, middle name and last name. Okay. And also we have to change it here also. We will copy it. Okay. And now here we have to give it three arguments, not one, because we have created of three arguments is function. So Pratik, we have given. Now middle name we will give Kumar and last name Singh. And now we will run it. Invalid syntax. Sorry. Now it will work. Welcome to Facebook Pratik Kumar Singh. This is the use of multiple function arguments. We can add more arguments here as we need, but for this video this will be enough. Hopefully you have understand it. If you want to build AI application exactly like this, you are in luck. I will teach you this inside my school community. You should click top link in the description. That will take you to my school community where I will hold your hand and teach you how to build AI applications like this on the screen character AI clone from scratch, even if you are complete beginner. And I will also help you deploy it on .com domain or any domain you want. And if you are getting any type of problem, I will directly help you there. And I will even make video solutions for you if you getting any type of problem.